Smoke alarm test at my parents' house. See if I can get it. It's kind of hard on the iPad and this at the same time. That's one in the hallway. Here's the one in their bedroom. And their carbon monoxide. Oops, I think I hit the reset. Next we're going to go downstairs. See that reset? Don't need the mop for the ones downstairs. Because all of those are on a lower surface. The hall closet. Now I'll take you to the basement.
Did you say Jess was here?
I told her that I'm going to be testing the smoke alarms, but she's outside, so. But anyways, here's our downstairs hallway one. Now we go into the laundry room. For any of you who are into floor drains, there it is. It's roof gutter, and then that's actually a screen from a white bright. But anyways, back to the smoke alarms. Here's this one. There's a thing in my way. Oh. Let's see, I'm gonna have to. The ceiling comes up easily, so gotta kind of grab it. See if I can do. Kind of hard to do with the. Whoa! See if I can do it again. There we go. See? And now, for the last one down here. At least the last installed one. And that one is here in our family room. It's all a mess. There's our fireplace. We haven't used that in years. And in there, my mom's workshop. And here's this one. I think I can just push the button on here. Yep. So there you go. And like I said, that's all the installed ones. But some of you may know, some of you may not know that I have a lot of my collection in here. Right there. There's a lot of them there. There's actually some of my duct detectors. I'll bet you didn't even know I had those. And then I have a couple more that's down there. So, that's your test of my parents' smoke detectors. And a look at my archives.